Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
We call it apabina. That is, when we are going for 11 to 20 now, we'll be having plus and minus. In Yoruba, we call this one le. This plus. This one we call it din. Le, din. So this one, we also call it aropo. We call it aropo, which is addition. This one we call it ayokuro. Ayokuro, which is minus. We want to minus, we want to add this one, we want to minus it. So this is the sign. Plus, minus, le, aropo, din, ayokuro. We also have a multiplication, which is a isodipupo. But this one is not for this one now. It's not from 11 to 20. So when we get to anything from 20, we'll be having isodipupo, which is multiplication. So when we get to the numbers. Now, starting from the 11 to 20 now. So tó bá ṣe kúrò ní 10 yẹn, lábẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa lé sí. So when we say plus, that is from 11 to 14. From 11 to 14, we now be having plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. For example now, this is 10 plus 1. It will give us 11. In Yoruba language, we normally count in Onka, that is, in numbers or figures. We normally count from the back to the front. From the back to the front. So this one is 11. We say 11. This is 11. So this 11 we call it ole. Ole. So this one now, ole ẹyọkan, ole méjì, ole mẹ́ta, ole mẹ́rin. Outside this one is ọ̀kan, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin. So ibẹ̀ láti rí me, that's me that we used the other time. Many, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin. So we can also say or we say ọ̀kan, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin. So ìyẹn lábẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa lé. So this is the sign we say ole. Ole, that is plus. Ole. Ole ọ̀kan, ole méjì, ole mẹ́ta, ole mẹ́rin. So let's see now. To go further now, we want to count it from the back. This is 11, ọ̀kan. So it will now be mọ́kànlá. We say mọ́kànlá. This one is ẹyọkan, ọ̀kan. This is mẹ́wàá. For example, I just want to use this one as an example. This is mẹ́wàá. Mẹ́wàá plus ọ̀kan. Plus ọ̀kan. So it will now give us mọ́kànlá. It will now be mọ́kànlá. Mọ́kànlá. Or we say ọ̀kànlá. Mọ́kànlá. Mọ́kànlá. So look at it now. So I want to rub it so that I'll be able to explain more on this. And start from that place because it needs more explanation. So this one is 10 plus 1 is equal to, this plus 1. That is, I've said that this one is 10, which is mẹ́wàá, mẹ́wàá, mẹ́wàá plus ọ̀kan. 10 plus ọ̀kan. So we now count from the back to the front. So this one is when we say ọ̀kan, ó lé ọ̀kan. This is ọ̀kan, this is ọ̀kan. Ó lé ọ̀kan. Look at it. Ọ̀kan. Ó lé ẹ̀wá. What is the meaning? That is, one o is add to 10. This one we add it to 10. So it now become mọ́kànlá. Mọ́kànlá. You can see 11. So this one now is ọ̀kan. This one is ọ̀kan. That is the meaning. Ọ̀kan. Ole, ole, this is ole. Mẹ́wàá, this is it. Mẹ́wàá. You know, I told you that in Onka Yoruba, that in the Yoruba numbers, we count from the back to the front. And I told you that this sign means ole, which is le, le, and this one means din. That is din, odin, odin. We say odin, which is din minus. Le plus minus. Therefore, this is 11. Mọ́kànlá, we call mọ́kànlá 11. Mọ́kànlá 11. So that is 1, 2. 10 plus 2. We need to get to 12 now. 12. So we count from the back again. This is 2. Èjì. You can say méjì. This is méjì. So this one is ole. You say ole. Sorry. Ole. So this one now will be mẹ́wàá. Mẹ́wàá. You can see now. Méjì. Ó lé. Mẹ́wàá. So now it now give you méjìlá. We say méjìlá. Let's say méjìlá, which is 12. Which is 12. Méjìlá. 12. Méjìlá. 11 ọ̀kànlá. 12 èjìlá. So that is it. So this is 3. 10 plus 3. What do we need now? This is also 3. We count from the back to the front. So this one will be mẹ́ta. Ole, ole, mẹ́wàá. We can say mẹ́wàá. We can say ẹ̀wá. We can say ìkẹwàá. So it will now give us mẹ́tàlá. 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 So it will give us mẹ́tàlá. I will still write it for you. Mẹ́tàlá. You can see now, which is 13. Mẹ́ta. This is mẹ́ta, 3. This is ole, which is plus. And this one is 10. This is mẹ́wàá. So the addition will now give us mẹ́tàlá. Mọ́kànlá. So this one is mọ́kànlá, méjìlá, mẹ́tàlá. So I will still rewrite it in order for you. So this one now, let's say number 4. Okay, you can see contain it. So this one is 10 plus 4. Now look at it. You are going to use the same method. This one is marrying. Okay, let me sheet it up.